We're at the sawmill this morning. Come get some wood. There's a nice little stack over there. Bill called the saw guy. See if we can get that. I don't know if we can or not. But anyway, we brought Blue with us. Here's the sawmill. And I'm going to put my boots on because rattlesnakes love be under wood. So we're going to do that. We're going to start working on this wood here. Bill couldn't get hold of the sawmill guy. He's not here. He's up in the mountains. He's got a sawmill up there too. So Bill got his chainsaw. Some of them long ones are hard to pull out there. It's like pixie sticks. Look what I found. Cactus bone. The skull of the cactus, or the bones. I'm gonna take that home. Get back up in the truck. Just a little ways more, we'll have a load. I forgot to bring my sunglasses, so Bill will give me his to wear because it's really dusty off that wood. And I try to stay back a little bit just so I don't get dust in my eyes. But anyway, I think all he has to do now is strap it down. We did bring a hoe just in case we run across a rattlesnake, but all was quiet. Maybe they're then gone out hunting.
I'll get that after.
Okay. So I did wear my boots just in case. Well, we about got this wound up. He's tying everything down good. Now we're going to head home. So appreciate y'all coming by and watching from out west Homestead. I might do some walking tonight in the driveway, and he's going to pull some wood out on the ground. Got a dead rabbit. Well, we made it home. We'll unload that later.